Hey, what is up, gamers? GamerDale here, and welcome to Gravity Rush. That's weird. The camera moves with my controller. So when I opened up this game, it didn't have a title screen. It just sent me here, as you can see. This is actually the remastered version, or at least that's what it said. I played this game a little bit on my own, but I decided it'd be more fun recording it. But this game, I remember playing this game, the original, on like the PSP when I was like 11 or 12. And I remember specifically I got to this really hard boss and I could not beat it for the life of me, and then I just quit and completely forgot about it. And then I like saw this and I was like, huh, you know what, maybe I'll give it another go. I got a little far, but not too far. I mean, I got a decent amount far, but not far enough to the boss that I couldn't beat, I think. But hopefully, 17-year-old me will be able to beat the boss that 12-year-old me could not. So, yeah, this game is a little barfy. The camera moves with the controller, which is very weird, but, I'm gonna tap the apple. Tap, 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 tap. And there it goes off the, oh, that is a floating island. Played a little bit of this recently, but not too recently. Oh. There was another way. That's all I remember. I don't know if I'm reading this out, the subtitle's right there. I remember a little bit of what happened when I played this recently, but not that much. So. Because I played it like, what, a couple months ago? I don't know. Ooh. I like the style. I don't know if this is the remastered version. I don't know what's different about this. I mean, I can't really tell because, you know, I played this when I was like 12, so obviously I won't be able to pick up the details like exactly. Oh. This is cute. Where's that apple going? I really like this music so far. It's very anime. I mean, the game was very anime, so. Oh, hello. Little kid. Look at you in your smug face. Wasn't it just rolling down some stairs a couple seconds ago? Unless the stairs plummeted off to the edge. Oh. Oh, it got very silent. Ooh. Gravity Rush. There's the title. Music got very eerie for a second. Oh, hello. Bonk. That's me. Ooh. Damn, I got right ass eyes. Space Cat! Oh, I love that thing. That's my companion. Is that? It's not really a spoiler. I want a space cat. I want a cat in general. My outfit is very, scandalous. Meow. What are you doing here? Are you lost too? Well, I don't have anything to give you, so run along and find somewhere else to beg. I thought it was like I thought it meant to say like someone else to bother, but or bug, but it said beg, and I was like, nope, that's the correct way to say that sentence. I don't. What the hell is that? I don't know. Purr. I don't know how to purr. I'm not a cat. Where am I? Where am I? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Wee. Why can't I remember anything? I don't know. How did I end up here? I need to find a way out. Well, I'm going up these stairs. Hello, doves. I think those were doves. Where is everyone? Who is everyone, exactly? Ah, here we go. Cutscene. Oh! Hello! Ah! Oh, episode 1 from Oblivion. Ooh. Huh? Let go! Please, I need... You need? Grr. Damn, let go! Don't be touching me, I'm a lady! Bother someone else! Damn. Wait, you don't understand. You gotta save my boy. Oh, that's right, you're the dad from the cutscene. Huh, your boy? What's wrong? Is he in trouble? Okay. Follow the mysterious man. Okay. Well, will you let me go? Alright. Block the tunnel. I don't know. Didn't you just fall off of the... Didn't you come from there? Damn! You're strong for a skinny-ass man. Can I not jump in this game? Oh, okay. Where are you going? Outsider? I do look like an outsider, don't I? I do not have a light. Don't smoke, it's bad for your lungs. That crow. Oh, I think we saw a crow in the intro. Interesting. Where did he go? Yep, up here. Oh, shit. Storm? Hope you guys are reading the subtitles, because I'm not reading the... Am I going? Wait, why can't I... Okay. It's a little weird. I'm used to holding R2 because of Heavy Rain. But it's just Elder Go. Can I run faster? Is this as fast as I can run? Oh, okay. I'm running faster. I don't know how I did that. Yuji. Where's the child? Oh, damn! He's up in the subway? Oh, shit! Oh, shit! I'm just standing there like, huh, well, that's a predicament. Well, shit! What's going on? Hurry, you saw him up there, but we're trapped in that house. He'll get taken by the storm. Oh, it's a house. What am I supposed to do? You like that crow girl, right? Use your cat to get up there and save him. Crow girl? What crow girl? Oh, drop the act. I saw you plunge from the sky and land without a scratch. Use that superpower of yours and go get my boy. Superpower? Ooh. Space cat! He gives me the abilities to do something. Meow. Alright. I don't have any superpowers. Ah, I do apparently! Whoa! Okay. How? I'm not... Okay, I wasn't controlling that for a second. Whoa! I'm standing on a wall? Her. Did you do this? Head toward the market and indicate. Okay, bet. Right stick to look around. Okay, adjust camera settings. Oh, now I can jump. It just wouldn't let me jump before. Oh, Jesus. I'm sorry. Okay. Did I run out of power? Oh, shit. Oh, damn! Okay. It made a path? I'm going to float. Ooh. Shift gravity and fall forward. Ooh. Yeah. I made it. You did. 2. Okay. I like this. One step at a time. Where? Okay, it's over there now, apparently. Did I just come from there? I guess not. I got turned around. Bam. Jump. Ooh. Jump! Hold on, kid, I'm coming. Are you thinking this or saying this? I don't... Okay. Whee! Oh, Jesus! Ew! Okay. Gross, weird, goopy hand? Sure. What the heck was that? I don't know, man. Where am I going? Here. Whee! Getting closer. Okay. Where? There it is. Wait, what did it say? It probably said the same shit. Jump. Yump! Oh, I almost didn't make that. Gravity got weird for a second. Where am I floating to? Okay, here. Yes. Ah, there we go. Okay, almost there. Policeman! Oh, shit. Well, he is dead. Goddamn. Also, they have floating vehicles? Yes, please. Whee! Okay, now I got you. Oh, shit. Grab his ass! Bam! Whoa, 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 whoa. Damn. He's okay. Now let's get the F out of here. Get the F out of there! Kitty! Oh, shit! Kitty powers! Oh, damn! Oh, damn! Damn! That thing's dead! Hell yeah! Sick, dude! Aww. Oh shit, that's not good. Oh, dang it, did my... Hold up. Really? You gonna do this crap again? Yeah. Okay, okay, good, I paused. Let me pause and get this situated, because I don't want to have to deal with this shit again, being like constantly getting up and down just for this. Let me see if it's fine. Just hold on. Okay, I think we're good. I fixed it, and it's been going for a little bit. I think it's good. Ugh, I really don't have to deal with, really don't want to have to deal with this shit right now. Luckily, I only have to record one freaking video today. But anyway, resume. That house is falling. Oh shit. Yeah, me alone, female, is not enough to save that giant ass house. Maybe. Anyway, you're welcome for saving your son. Yeah, sorry about that. Oh, the little kid. What did you do? I didn't do shit, man. I didn't. You didn't what? You asked you to save my boy not to storm house. Listen, man, collateral damage. I saved him, didn't I? Our house, give us back our house. Oh, you're a little shit too, huh? It wasn't my fault. I was trying to stop it from falling. On God. Great job you did of that. I am one person. I knew I shouldn't have trusted a gravity shifter. A bunch of good for nothing troublemakers. Excuse you? I will take your kid and throw him back into that red sky. All of those things are in the house. You have to bring it back now. I cannot. But I didn't do anything wrong. Yeah, no, you didn't. Exactly. Hey, where are you going? I'm going away from you guys. You guys are both jerks. And shifters are all right. You said it, Pops. Ugh. Racist! Or gravityist. I don't know. What was that supposed to do? We're only trying to help. Aw. What? What is it? You see something? A door? Ooh. Shiny. Well, not shiny, but it's got a light coming out of it. Oh, damn. Damn! Oh, shit! That's not very bright. There's a light coming out of that door. Damn, that's a whole floating town. you anyway? Were you the one changing gravity? I'll take that as a yes. What now? I guess we're both alone, so you better stick together. Sure. I suppose I should give you a name, huh? How about Dusty? You like that? Here, Dusty. Here, kitty kitty. What, you don't like it? I think it's a great name. Well, your name is Dusty, so suck it up. Oh, was that a crow? Ooh. Hey, Dusty, wait! Catch Dusty. I'm going. Oh, this is being very janky all of a sudden. I don't know why. Where are you going? Don't run off! Dusty! Kitty, you can't run off after I just named you! Well, I mean, I caught up to him. So you want me to follow that crow? Alright, let's get to it. Catch the crow. Alright. Bet. Maybe you can use his wall to get up there. Maybe you can. Now it's heading to that room. Can I make it that far? Let's see. Here we go! Whee! Stop in midair. Oh boy. Shoot, I was so close. It flew off again. Ooh, what are those? I want it. But the crow comes first. Hey! You! Where are you going? Oh, no you don't. Get back here, you crow. Turn to normal gravity. Ah. Whee! Woo! Oh, shit! I just picked up someone. Oh boy. Okay. No, I'm stuck behind the freaking lamp. I just straight up picked up people. Oh, I made it apparently. Oh! Hey! Another one like me. Ooh, except your light is blue. Interesting. That girl and a crow are kind of like us. Maybe she knows something? Maybe. Let me just grab this real quick. I got him stuck in the wall. It's awesome. Okay, there we go. Hello! Let me just ram ass first into you. Because that's basically what that was. Ooh. Okay. Oh, and she's gone. Hey, hello? Alright, what now? Oh, damn. Aha, I don't think so, bitch. Sick. Ooh, episode 2 already? Shadows over the city. Interesting. You came in just in time. I was chasing one of those thugs when I got surrounded, and, well, you were amazing, but who are you? Hey! Hey, step aside, will ya? Oof. This is the girl I just saw. She's with that crow, too. Wanted Raven. Oh, that's not good. She's wanted. Excuse me? Who are you, and what are you doing here? Well, I don't remember. Huh? Yeah? I said I don't remember. Look, I don't know who I am or what I'm doing here, but I think this girl might know. Really? You don't remember anything? Did you bump your head or something? No, I don't think so. This is like the start of one of those great suspense novels, I guess. No, get away, huh? Ugh. Ew! Ew! Gross! There's like the thing in this guy, but smaller. Very smaller. What are those things? Defeat the monsters. Ooh! Alright, bet! Oh, nah, I don't think so. Bitch! Bam! Sucker. That was way too easy. Oh, well, here comes more. Oh, well, that was R1. Ah, there we go. That's probably I made. Bad. Nope. Woo! That was close. Oop. I don't think so. I do a sick cartwheel when I evade. Oh, that wasn't a somersault, but whatever. Not again. Ooh. While floating gravity kick. Ooh. Hey-ya! Bam, bitch! And one for you! Oh, this is epic. I don't think so! I saw some other one. Ooh, what's that green? I want it. Oh, there you are. Nope! Oh, you Son of a bitch. Better take care of that straggler. Oh yeah, he's chilling up on the wall. Oh, enemy prisoners are indicated by a red enemy marker. When enemy is off screen, the marker changes to an arrow to indicate its relative direction. Move the camera with R. Okay, delocate. Cool. Gimme. Yep, and there you are. Yeah! Bam! Yeah, I think that's the last of them. Guess so. First, let's throw them those monsters. What's going on around here? Yo, Officer Sid, where are you, man? You need to get out of here. Huh? Why? Listen, the powers that be don't care for you shifters. You make them feel less, well, powerful. An unknown with superpowers who just happens to show up at the same time as the monsters, you don't want anyone making the logical connection. What connection? Look, just leave the explanations to me. I'll take care of things. Alright, cool, man. If you say so. Good. Now get going. We'll meet again, Shifter. If you say so. Yo, Sid, where are you? It was the day the monsters came and attacked the city. I didn't know yet, but that strange police officer, Sid, was going to play a big part in the events to come, and I never would have guessed the part I myself would play. Interesting. Ooh, recent rise in unexplained phenomena. Mayor Bolsey labels the monsters Nevi, forms special police units to deal with new menace. Officer Sid single-handedly takes down every apprehends thugs in process. Alright. Cool, just go ahead and take my credit. Hey! There you are. I was worried that the city'd forgotten to send someone. Huh? The city? Hey, there's no time for kidding around. You need to hurry up and refuel the fountain. It ran dry a few minutes ago. You serious? Fountain? What fountain? How do you refuel a fountain anyway? It's so hard to find good help these days. Look, I don't have time to explain. Just get over there. You know where the fountain is, don't you? Here, take this fountain's case. Was I working for the city before? I can't remember. Roger, I'll get right on that. Thanks for the map. Okay. Oh, trophy. View map. Ooh. Ah. Next location. Man working for the city thought I was hired help. The map he gave me came in handy, but I didn't understand his gravity energy worked and wasn't sure what to do. He really needed the help, so I decided to give it a try. It would have been too difficult to explain that I had lost all of my memories and didn't yet understand anything about the city, but he mentioned fixing a fountain, so that was what I decided to do. Okay. Fountain, got it. I'll see you there, and don't dawdle. Yes, sir. What have I got myself into? I better get over there. Well, let's do that then. Head to the Fountain Plaza. Well, let's make our way over there by floating! Whee! It's much faster than walking! Don't mind me, just picking up civilians on the way. Ooh. Oh, shit. Ah! Frick. Okay. Gotta be careful not to fall off the edge. Okay, I'm in somewhere now. Oop. Okay. Just gotta do a little bit of this. Okay, and then, this way, excuse me. Don't mind me. There we go. Whee! Bam! Yep. Hello. Yes, begin it. It's about time you better get started collecting fuel. Collecting fuel, right. How do I do that? What is this, your first day on the job? Yeah, actually! You need to grab the precious gems floating in the air and bring them down to fuel the furnace. So I have to collect floating gems. Stay with me, kid. This is serious business. Now get up there and grab those gems. Sure thing, I'll do my best. I hope they're safe to just grab with my bare hands. Oh, find 10 precious gems. Well, there's one right there. This is turning into a fetch quest real quick. Where am I seeing it? Oh, there we go. And bam. There's another one right there. That thing floating in the sky is ominous. What would happen if I flew just right into it? Probably death, I'd assume. And then, oop. Through the tree. Oh, I ran out of floating fuel. I like how in distress they are when I grab them. They're like, oh shit! Okay. Oop. Camera got a little wonky, that's fine. I'm also trying not to move my controller a lot, because then it does... Oh, is that not doing it anymore? I guess not. Just let me center that. Bam! Right into the TV. Let me just break it with my ass real quick, don't mind me. I could have sworn... Oh, okay, it only does that when I'm floating. Got it. Blech, that is barfy as all hell. Bam. That's the last one. Sweet! Deposit the gems in the furnace. Okay. And... back to... the fountain. The furnace fountain. Or the fountain furnace. Yes. I guess that was just all 7 collectively. That's a weird way to fuel a fountain. That water's not... it's not blue. I mean, I guess because of the lighting, I guess. But that looks like pee. Ooh, new mission unlocked. Well done, well done. You didn't even use an insta-collector to grab those gems. I will be sure to put in a good word for you with the city. In fact, would you be willing to work full-time for us, getting all the other city's facilities up and running? It'd be a snap for someone with your skill. Wow, must really impressed him. Feels kind of nice. Sure, I'd be happy to help with the other facilities, but can I stay part-time? Well, yeah, I suppose. That's more your thing. Such a terrible waste of your talents, though. Anyway, here, take these 3 gems as pay for a job well done. Ooh. Isn't it nice to get paid for your services? If you ever change your mind about going full-time, you just let me know. Thank you, sir. Wait, aren't these some of the gems I just collected? Ah, they're currency. Cat. My name is Cat. Okay. So, what, okay. Oh, select the customize screen tab. Customize screen. Update the gauge use power. Oh. Ah, look at that! Effects rated versus gravity rated. Oh, sweet, it'll decrease less now. Or it'll decrease slower. Better get started and find a place to rest. There's this over here. Challenge mission, next location. Just wanted to catch a break more than anything. I needed a place to just be by myself and thing. To have the place happen to come with a shower and the means of doing laundry, all the better. I definitely could have used a little cleaning up. Alright, well let's set that navy. Oh, only 19 yards? That's convenient. Oh, it's the sewer. Sure. How am I supposed to get by in this place? No home, no place to take a hot shower? Oh, she just falls right in. Ah! Shit. Oh, damn. You're really taking a tumble. Ow, ow. What are you hitting? Ugh, well, you hit that. Ugh. Huh? Ooh, not bad. Not bad at all. Maybe I really am going to be okay. This place looks built to last. Yeah! What do you know? It's right outside. How convenient. Her little head. Nice, dude. Alright, looks like I just found my new home. Episode 3, Home Sweet Home. Sweet, dude. Gather furniture for the new room. Ooh, okay. This place could use some sprucing up. I guess we should start with the furniture. Dusty, what do you think? Any ideas? Meow? Alright then. Oh. Oh, was that a scream? Help, somebody help me. Did you hear that? Sounds like she needs our help. Meow. Where is she? We better find her fast. Well, we will do that, next time. Because I'm about to hit the 30-minute mark, so yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna leave it here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Man, this game is hella nostalgic for me. I mean, as far as playing it back when I was 12 goes, I kind of remember this. I definitely remember this part. Or I remember all of what I played so far. Just because I played it recently. I mean, it wasn't that recently, but it was recently enough for me to remember. As far as playing it when I was 12 goes, though, shit, I just dropped my controller. That's fine. As far as playing it when I was 12 goes, though, I don't know if I remember anything. I mean, I guess we'll find out. I'll definitely remember whenever I get to the boss that I couldn't beat. I'll be like, oh no, this is it. Oh no, here we go. So yeah, that's fun. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoying this so far. I really like this game. I like the anime aspect of it and how you can float around and just get to places faster with your floaty powers. I like how you just pick people up and they're just like, oh shit! And I'm like, there's no consequences. I can shoot you into space if I really wanted to. But I'm gonna try and not be that cruel. Well, and also because it's just a waste of time. I'm just like, this is fun, but let me get to my objectives, you know? That'd be better if I was, playing this on my own and I just wanted to mess around just cause. But it's fun recording this too, because, I like recording and you guys get to see it and it's a good time. But anyway, I'm gonna leave it here. Hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Bye!